About waiting for the storm to pass. It's about learning to dance in the rain. Standing before you today as the Wise Games captain is a moment of mixed emotions, gratitude, pride, and a touch of sadness as I bid farewell to this role that has been an incredible journey of growth and learning. I take immense pride in what we have achieved together, whether it was house matches, inter-school tournaments, or sports day. Each showcased the passion, talent, and spirit that defines us as Ramneeites. In all sincerity, thank you to Sister Manjusha and Sister Shiba for trusting me to shoulder this responsibility and being there to help. A special thanks to my teachers who guided, motivated, and ensured we always stayed on track. I would like to take a moment to thank my captain, Himanshi, whose partnership made our leadership journey smoother. A heartfelt thanks to my friends. You have been my pillars of strength throughout this journey, whether it was cheering me on when I needed encouragement, helping me balance my responsibilities, or just being there with words of support and laughter. You all made this role easier and more fulfilling. From brainstorming ideas of naughtiness to sharing moments of laughter and cries, every moment I've made with you is one I'll treasure forever. Lastly, to my juniors, I urge you to carry forward the legacy of enthusiasm, determination, and integrity that defines our school culture. Remember, it's not about winning. It's about creating an environment where everyone feels encouraged to participate and grow. Thank you for the memories, the support, and the inspiration. I leave this role with a heart full of gratitude and promise to always cheer for our school's success. Live every moment, Ramneites. Signing off, Sumedha Kothari, the Wise Games captain, 2024-25.